Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session we will understand the job role of the import export manager in company Loconav. This is India's leading vehicle management company and IoT platform. Okay, so this company provide the management of the vehicles. Okay, so here we will try to understand some companies work profile. Okay, what company actually do. So Loconav is bringing together the power of proprietary and technology and wide reach to change India's fleet management landscape. Okay, so this company is uh, providing the facilities of the fleet management and we can say the management and vehicle security like that. So in this process, the vehicle owner, businesses and transporters are India's are forced to vehicle with extreme efficiency and poor security. Okay, so now that we can understand that transport is a very important part of the uh, Indian economy. Okay, so the transport provide if transport is not providing the extremely efficiency and poor security, that can be goods can damage on the way like that. So this is a drawback of the transport companies. Okay, so these companies overcomes such situations. Okay, this company is determined to change that, leveraging intelligent analytic and LOT platform. Okay, this company ensuring that every vehicle stakeholder benefit with lower running cost. Okay, this company providing in facilities like ki any transporter will get benefit of this. Okay, and in lower cost running. Okay, and greater security and fast turnaround. Okay, security providing. Okay, by this company. Abounding the founding teams. Okay, so you know that founding team, how is the work of this company, what kind of peoples and what is the profile like that. So advisor, Legono is founding the team. An advisor comes with experience from companies such as McNessy, Google, Flipkart, Pratco, ClearText, Mayfield Fund. Okay, so such the person who is working with that is come from such big companies. Okay, then sales and operation product at leading global hyper growth technology. Now, Loconev is backed by the leading global investor, including Sukwa Capital, crore 1.5 years experience in handling of import and export of the goods from one more part of this. Okay, so we can understand how this company is working. One more country of more. Okay, so we need to understand how that company is security providing management and goods, you can say the time saving and this low cost of the transporter. This company is providing such facility. Now, the officer to ensure that shipment is done in accordance with the rules and regulation of the import and export. Okay, so for this job profile, the person who is doing this job need to be check out and have a good knowledge of the rule and regulation of import export. Okay, so if you are have a good knowledge, you can apply for this job post. Then again, point three, officer lead to conversation with the client, vendor and prior shipment on the specific need of the shipment and local compliance requirement. So here that requirement of the shipments, you have to contact with the vendors, client and all things. Okay, in this you have to priorly intimate with the uh, client and customer. So they will know your requirement and uh, arrangement will be done in advance. Okay. Now, the person who are willing to work for the job to make the categories of the shipment according to tariff coding system. Okay, here so you have to check out with the product type of shipments. You have to categorize the shipments as per HSN code, as per product type, as per product nature. Okay. It also deal with making pairs with discussing with the custom agent who ensuring the shipment is done through custom. So here you the person who are want to work with his job post also deal with the making pace. Okay, keeping pace. Like what is going on the custom, we need to understand very well. Parallelly, everything status should be in the recorded. Okay, then have to discuss with the custom agent, CHA freight forwarder, that shipment actually is custom exam is done in rightly or not. Okay, now the another activities is to identify compliance and incoterms. So person who are willing to do this job have a good identity of the compliance of the custom and incoterms. Then a person also have a identify the logistic warehouses vendors as per the needs. Okay, just like your shipment is coming at the Kolkata port, so you have a good knowledge over the logistic company at the Kolkata, good warehouses at the location of the Kolkata. Okay, as per needed means the any location of the India need to be handled by this person. Also need to suggest method to reduce the cost and negotiate for the change. Okay, so here not only you have to check out whether the as per need the logistic warehouse, but also you need to analysis the charges and negotiate this. You have to check out where just like CFS charges. Then you also check and verify the CFS charges of the Kolkata port and the Chennai seaport. Then you have to check out where which is the higher charges. So try to reduce these charges by analyzing and negotiation process. Okay. Then process 7 in which the person have to handle the ensure end-to-end tracking of the shipment. Okay. Include but not limited to. Okay. So end-to-end process with that when shipment is pick up from the factory of the supplier, then one to one, step by step, or we can say at every stage, you should have a tracking of that shipment. Okay, and intimation because that lot of activity need to be done before the dispatching goods from the origin, like a documentation process. Okay, and before arrival of the shipment at the seaport need to be filed below of entries. So such pre-intimation process need to be done. Okay, now to track the location of the shipments, it's also important. You can track the shipment by the shipment airline wise or shipping line wise. Then to use the best and most economic method to prepare for the good of the shipment. Okay, so you have to check out the SOP which are not efficiently working and not giving the proper output to the organization. In such case, you have to check out and update this SOP as per conditions. To ensure the coordination with the warehouse, okay, you have to coordinate the warehouses, you have to coordinate the transporter, you have to coordination of the goods. Okay, you have to coordination the distribution of the goods, like you just at what time you have to deliver the goods. Okay, and what is the process of the distribution. Okay, this thing need to be identified. Now recommended transport insurance whenever commercial needed. Okay, you have to recommend the transport insurance because that vehicle when it can our shipment is come at the seaport, you need to first survey that goods are received in good condition or not. Then after that, the shipment need to be delivered at the port. So insurance required if goods will be damaged in the way. So you can suggest this thing that if any goods can damage, then it will be a problem for the shipment. Okay. Then next one is the qualification is skills for these positions. Person have a bachelor degree in the post for this post and experience in the 5 year. Computer and management skills also required for these job positions, and the proficiency in the English and Hindi, and also experience the custom house. Okay, so person have a good knowledge in this required conditions may apply for the job. So guys, we have tried to understand the job roles and job description of the export import managers for company of Loconav, which is the management of the transportation companies, vehicle companies, and also IoT platform, which provide the benefit of the transporters and security of the transport. Okay, so this company have a good person who is come from the good big companies like Google, Flipkart, Tractron, ClearText, Mayfield Funds. Okay, so good experienced person are hired in this company. So you will be a good knowledge you will get from this company, because that you have a chance to work with this experienced person. Okay, and we also discuss what is the key role and responsibility for the job post. Okay, so guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.